In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Zoom during meeting. If you've ever joined a call with a nickname, a device name, or just a typo, fixing it on the spot helps everyone recognize you and keeps the meeting organized. Your display name is what others see in the participant list and on your video tile, so getting it right matters for introductions, breakout rooms, and attendance. Once you're in the Zoom meeting window, look along the bottom toolbar for the Participants button. It usually sits next to options like Share Screen and Chat. Click that button to open the Participants panel. This panel typically appears on the right side of your screen and lists everyone in the call. In the Participants panel, find your name in the list. Move your mouse over your name and you should see a small 3 dots icon appear next to it. That icon opens a quick actions menu just for your profile in this meeting. Go ahead and click the 3 dots. From the menu that appears, choose Rename. A small box will pop up, letting you enter the display name you want others to see. Type your name exactly how you want it to appear. Take a moment to check spelling and capitalization, and consider adding context if it's appropriate for the meeting, like a department or project tag, as long as it's concise and professional. When you're ready, click the Change button. Your new display name updates instantly for everyone in the meeting. You'll know it worked if you see the new name next to your video tile and in the participants list. If you made a mistake, you can repeat the same steps and adjust it again. Keep in mind, this change applies to the current meeting. It doesn't permanently alter your Zoom account profile, so the next time you join a different call, you might need to update it again if your account name isn't already set the way you like. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Choose a name that helps others identify you quickly. First and last name usually works best. Avoid excessive symbols or emojis, especially in professional settings, and keep it short so it displays cleanly. If you don't see the 3 dots icon or the rename option, the meeting host may have disabled renaming for participants. In that case, you can politely ask the host to update your name for you. And that's it. Click Participants, hover over your name, open the 3 dots menu, select Rename, enter your name, and click Change. Simple, fast, and clear.